How to add a vignette to an image in Photoshop. Let's get into it. With Photoshop open, we want to come over to the Layers panel and click on the padlock on our image. We then want to come up to Filter and then come down to Convert for Smart Filters. We then want to choose OK. What we then need to do is come back into Filter, then come down to Lens Correction. Once in this window, we need to navigate over to the Custom menu and scroll down until you see Vignette. Now these are the sliders that we want to tweak here. If we move our slider all the way to the left, it will create a black vignette. If we move it all the way to the right, it will create a white vignette. Personalise this however you want for your photo. The second slider allows you to change the midpoint of your vignette. So if I bring this all the way to the left, we can see that the midpoint is right in the middle. If I bring this all the way to the right, we can see that the midpoint covers more of the image. I'm going to leave mine around about here. If you want to see a quick before and after of your image, you can come down to Preview and select this. This is going to take off that vignette that we've just added, and we can reselect it to put it back on. Once you're happy with your vignette, you can just click OK. And as you can see, we now have this vignette in our image. If you want to change this again, all you need to do is come over to Lens Correction, double click, and this will bring back up that window that we were just in. I'm just going to click out of there again, and that's all there is to it.